We are now following up on a big investigative story we brought you last night. Hundreds of private medical documents found in a public dumpster last week are back in the hands of the hospital responsible for them. Natalie Tyndall with 2 News Investigates broke the story for you last night about those dumped documents. Back now to explain what the next steps are.
Well, today we returned hundreds of documents to Springfield Regional Medical Center so they could properly report the extent of the violation and notify the rest of the people involved. Now, we first told you last night these documents contained personal information. We're talking social security numbers and birth dates, enough information to easily steal someone's identity. A viewer alerted us and police to the documents last week. We took some of them to investigate who they belonged to and to get the full scope of the breach. Police called the hospital to pick up the rest. Disposing of these documents in a dumpster is a violation of HIPAA, the privacy rule that protects individuals' health information. Now, the law says papers should be shredded or even burned to make sure no one can read them. Then the hospital's next step is to go through all the documents and notify patients involved via email or mail. They have 60 days to do that. And they're also required to notify the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services secretary. Now, if more than 500 people are impacted, they're required to alert the media as well. We'll, of course, stay on top of the story and make sure all of that happens. And I'm still asking questions about how this happened and what penalties this hospital may face.
And because this is such a treasure trove of personal information that we hold so dearly and expect these trusted sources to as well, one of our most clicked stories throughout the night still is. So
it's a big deal for people. I mean, that's a lot of private information out there that anybody could have had access to.
And you're on up for us. 2 News Investigates' Natalie Tyndall. Thank you.